Like, subscribe and get notified.
Panjim MLA Atanasio Monserrate has admitted that he has changed parties from the time he entered politics since Goa Assembly Elections 2002. He, however, underlined that he had never harassed the opposition. Criticism is welcome. The biggest room in my house is the room for development, Babush quipped. He disclosed that Taleigao MLA was not keeping well, so he was on the ground with the ZP candidates.
See, people, opposition may be there, and we see right from the day one when I contested election in 2002 till today. I may have moved from this party to that party, but you can ask any party if any time that we have harassed them, even when they were our opposition. We don't. आमी केन्नाच ऑपोजिशनाक टार्गेट करूना. हांव सदां म्हणटा ऑपोजिशन केन्ना कितें रेज करता इश्यू. आमी चुकता. इट इज नॉट दॅट वी आर ऑल्सो ह्युमन बींग. आमी चुकता. पूण ऑपोजिशनान केन्ना रेज केले इश्यू. मे बी सम इश्यूज मे बी गुड. वी टेक इट. I always believe the biggest room in your house is the room for development. So that is the reason I always believe criticism is most welcome. In criticism we learn, and I would like to learn. I have never completed anything. I am still learning.
So you are saying that every criticism is welcome by you?
Criticism is always welcoming. At least I learned to know that this is the place where I am committing a mistake. So at least that gives me an opportunity to improve myself.
So Taleigao MLA
No, Taleigao MLA is there. He is not keeping quite well these days. So it's just some medical issues are there. Sorry? I'm always there.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop Number to Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop Number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.